at this question. Pause the video for a minute. Try to solve it yourself. Then I will do it. Okay, let's look at the question. A monopolist has two plants. Plant 1's total cost function is 2Q1. Plant 2 total cost function is Q2 square by 2. Demand faced by the monopolist is 10 minus Q, where Q is Q1 plus Q2. How does the monopolist allocate its total production to serve the market? So we know the condition for it. The condition is that whenever a monopolist has two plants, the marginal cost must be equated for the two plants. So I have MC1. MC1 will be differentiate the cost function with respect to Q1. So when I differentiate with respect to Q1, I get 2. Differentiate this with respect to Q2. So you will get 2Q2 by 2. It will be 2Q2. Equilibrium condition is MC1 equal to MC2. So 2 is equal to Q2. So you have got the answer for Q2, which is 2. You can just go ahead and put it here. This will be wrong. This will be wrong. Now, the aim of the monopolist is to maximize his profit. His profit is total revenue minus total cost. So you're given the price function. Price into quantity is total revenue. So 10 minus Q into Q. This is total revenue. If you differentiate this with respect to Q, you will get marginal revenue. So I differentiated this with respect to Q and I got the value of the marginal revenue. Acha, now make sure. See, marginal revenue is in terms of Q. Q is the total quantity. So instead of Q, I have written Q1 plus Q2. And Q2 I already know, it's 2. So instead of Q2, I have written 2. So I've got 10 minus 2, Q1 plus 2. Q2 ki jagah I've already written the value. Now, what is your equilibrium condition? It is, the aim is to maximize profit. So MR should be equal to MC. Marginal cost of production is given as 2 for plant 1. So this is the marginal cost of production for plant 1. Marginal revenue I just found out. This is marginal revenue for plant 1. So MR equal to MC karke I just found Q1 as 2. So few takeaways. Takeaway 1. You must equate the marginal cost of the two plants. When you do that, sometimes you will get the quantity of at least one plant. Yahi se answer mil jayega. Second thing, if you don't get the answer, then for each plant equate its marginal revenue to marginal cost. This is the profit maximization condition. And when you are finding marginal revenue, wahan pe price hoga. P into Q is total revenue, right? So P will always be a function of total quantity. Remember to change it back into Q1 plus Q2. These are your takeaways from the question. Very, very important. Comes in a lot of exams. Okay, thank you.